when I really knew the narrative had turned, I'll tell you exactly where it was. Wolf Blitzer, who is a Zionist, right? Journalist at CNN. I don't know if he claims to be a Zionist, but I'll just say, I mean, his coverage has always been extremely sympathetic to the Israeli narrative. And he's interviewing an Israeli commander, and they had dropped a missile on a refugee camp. I forget which one. It's 2 a.m. here, where we are right now, subhanAllah, so I forget which refugee camp it was. But they dropped a missile on a refugee camp, killed over 400 people. And, the IDF commander says, thinking that, he's not going to be challenged, he says, yeah, well, there may have been a Hamas commander there. So Wolf Blitzer responds, even he gets shocked. And he goes, so you're saying you dropped a bomb on 400 civilians because there might have been a Hamas commander? You're not even sure? Like, this is getting so ridiculous that even the traditional outlets of ridiculousness are starting to question how ridiculous it is coming from them. The narrative is shifting. It's working. We're putting pressure, alhamdulillah.